Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing vblocks.com. So as you can see, if you don't know what vblocks is, it is basically a gaming service provider. And as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they are rated 3.0 out of 5 stars for 25 reviews. So as you can see, this person said that it is an extreme scam. And if you scroll down here, I have no mythic and permanent fruit, so I don't know what this person is trying to say. I wanted to get out a shout out to the baby Yoda brothers, shout out to blah blah blah. By the way, if you see my reviews, press on this. I did 3 reviews. So this person, I don't know what they're saying. Is all 1 star. 1 star reviews, 5 stars. ABC asked this is very good. It's a scam. So a lot of people who are commenting, that makes sense, are rating it 1 star. The 5 stars don't make any sense. They don't actually say anything. Half a scam. The biggest scam of my life. I want a dragon fruit. So people are basically commenting, rating it 5 stars just because of what they want. They're basically kids or children trying to get what they want here on Trustpilot. So yeah, please do not use this website since it's more than likely a scam and they're very shady. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.